Okay, here are the puppies. They're out. Hi, puppies. Hi. So here's our two whoopee ones. Both the girls, the yellow collar. And here's the one little girl with no collar. Oh my goodness. There's our big boy. Hi, buddy. Hi. He's the purple. And there's our little red collar. My goodness. And there's our black. This is the tan collar. Here's our little blonde girl. Hi in there. You can't see it, but that's Wooby's puppy in there. In the tube. Here's our little yellow collar black girl. Come here, little girl. Hi. Come on. Oh, it's so hard to come out. It is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Come on. Let's go out this way and play. So this is our little orange collar girl. Hi, you guys. Here's our black yellow collar. And here's our black. Come on, puppies. Hi. Hi. Oh, hi, buddy. Hi. Hello. How are you? It's our little yellow collar. Hi. Hi. Oh my God. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Hi. Hi. Here comes a big fat boy, little boy. Hi. And they're back there getting something to eat, it looks like. Trying to hide them. Fighting. Climbing through the food dish. Come on, puppies. Come on. Puppies. 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 Hi. Hi, big boy. There's those two over there. Hi. Hi. That's the big boy. Hi. Hi. They're all back there. Hello. Here's our little red-collared boy. Hello. Standing on the dish to drink when there's a full water one right there. So funny. They're learning. Hi. Hi. Hello. It's nice to see you. It is. It is. This is our little cream black girl. Oh. Well, you can't get a good picture of a black dog. Okay. Hello. Hello. That's a little boy here sitting on my lap. Hi, you guys. Here comes our other yellow collar little girl. Hi, sweetie. Hello. Hello. Oh. Puppies, hi. Hi. Yellow collar black girl seems to have just a tick bigger head than this cream little collar girl here. Just a little bit bigger head. They're awake now. Good puppy, going potty on the grass.